Buying your first firearm is a big step, but owning one is only half the equation. Without the right gear, you're setting yourself up for frustration, or worse, failure when it matters most. Have you thought about what happens when your only magazine jams or your sights get knocked out of alignment? In this video, we'll talk about the 15 most important things you'll need after buying your first firearm. Gear that makes carrying easier, training more effective, and your gun more reliable. If you're looking to carry daily, hit the range more often, or ensure your firearm stays in top shape, stick around. Our list will make sure you're covered. Some of these items might just be the difference between a smooth shooting experience and a major headache down the line. Number 1. Spare mags. You never want to be caught short when it matters most, so extra magazines are one of the first things you'll appreciate after buying your firearm. When you train, having multiple mags on hand keeps you in the flow rather than stopping every few shots to reload. In a real emergency, a single malfunctioning mag can take you out of the fight if you don't have a spare to swap in. That second or third mag isn't just about carrying more ammunition, it's about ensuring reliability. Springs can wear out over time, and rotating your mags helps keep them in good working order. Also, some drills like quick reloads and malfunction clearing are much smoother when you don't have to unload and reload the same mag over and over. You'll streamline your training sessions and maintain a solid level of preparedness if you stock up on quality spares that match your specific firearm. Number 2. Thread locker. It's easy to overlook the hardware on your new firearm, but recoil can loosen screws on sights, optics, and other accessories over time. A medium-strength thread locker is a simple way to secure all those threaded components. When you apply a small amount on clean screw threads, it hardens and keeps everything in place, even after countless rounds. Choosing a removable strength version is important because you don't want to permanently seal a part you might need to adjust or remove in the future. The stronger types can require extra force or even heat to break loose, which isn't always ideal. A small tube of thread locker lasts a long time and has a big impact on reliability. If you add any accessories that rely on screws to stay put, this will save you from awkward situations where something falls off mid-session. A simple step like this helps your gear stay locked in and ready when you need it. Number 3. Dedicated gun cleaning and maintenance area. A designated spot for cleaning and maintaining your firearm makes the entire process more organized, safer, and less likely to damage your investment. When you set up a sturdy table or bench, you have enough space to lay out tools and keep track of small parts. Good lighting is also a plus. There's nothing worse than missing a bit of carbon buildup or accidentally dropping a spring because you can't see well. You want a surface that's easy to wipe down, and a protective mat helps you avoid scratches on your gun or your workbench. Good ventilation is critical if you're using solvents or other strong cleaners, so a room with a window or a small fan goes a long way. Keeping this area off limits to kids or anyone unfamiliar with firearms adds an extra layer of safety. By having a dedicated space, you're less likely to skip proper maintenance and far more likely to keep your firearm in great working order. Number 4. Quality gun belt. When you are ready to carry, a sturdy belt is just as important as the holster. Regular belts can sag or twist under the weight of a firearm, making it uncomfortable and harder to conceal. A dedicated gun belt is built with reinforcement that supports the holster and keeps it stable against your body. That support means your draw is smoother and your gun stays in the same spot instead of shifting around. Plenty of materials and designs are available, from thick leather with reinforced cores to high-strength nylon with adjustable buckles. Some belts give you a ratchet system for precise tightening. The main goal is comfort and consistency, so you don't feel like your pistol is dragging you down or printing through your shirt. With a proper belt, you'll find that day-to-day carry isn't such a chore, and you'll be able to access your firearm quickly if it ever comes to that. Number 5. Spare fiber optic rods and luminescent paint. Upgrading your sights can really help with accuracy, especially in varying light conditions. Fiber optic sights gather ambient light to give you a bright aiming point, but those thin rods can crack or snap if you're rough on your gear. Having a few replacements handy means you won't be stuck squinting through a damaged sight. In low light scenarios, a dab of luminescent paint can make a big difference. This paint charges up when exposed to light, then glows in the dark for a while. It's not as bright as tritium, but it's cheaper and easy to apply yourself. The glow does fade, so a quick recharge under a flashlight or range lights is sometimes necessary. Both spare fiber optic rods and luminescent paint can extend your shooting hours and give you a better sight picture, whether you're out at the range at dusk or just want an easier time picking up your front sight. Number 6. Multi-tool for firearm maintenance. Gunsmithing tasks pop up at the most unexpected moments, and that's where a firearm-focused multi-tool can come in handy. You might need to tighten a loose screw on your optic, scrape some carbon off a bolt, or adjust the fit of a small pin. Standard multi-tools are helpful, but the ones specifically designed for firearms usually include bits and attachments that match common sizes on guns. Some even include carbon scrapers and choke wrenches for shotguns. It's an all-in-one solution you can toss in your range bag or glove box without cluttering your setup with separate tools for every little job. Being able to fix minor problems on the spot can prevent bigger issues down the road, like parts wearing unevenly or falling off because a screw backed out. It's a convenient piece of gear that helps you stay self-sufficient, and it can keep your firearm running well without repeated trips to a gunsmith. Number 7. The essential cleaning kit. Basic upkeep is important if you want your firearm to stay reliable. A solid cleaning kit usually includes rods, bore brushes, patches, solvents, and lubricants. When you finish a range session, residue and powder fouling start to build up, so a quick cleaning prevents corrosion and ensures smooth cycling. A travel-size kit is nice to have if you train away from home because it fits easily in a bag or case. You never know when you'll need to give your gun a quick wipe down, especially shooting dirty ammo or if you drop it in the dirt. It also pays to use good quality solvents and lubricants. The right lube can mean the difference between jam-free shooting and a malfunction at the worst possible time. Think of a cleaning kit as one of the real first commitments you make after buying your firearm. It keeps your investment running strong and reduces the chance of avoidable failures. Number 8. Snap caps, dummy rounds. Dry firing is a fantastic way to improve trigger control, but some firearms, especially older or rimfire models, can suffer firing pin damage if you snap on an empty chamber. That's where snap caps come in. These dummy rounds let you practice safely at home without risking harm to your gun or using live ammo. They're also great for drills, like ball and dummy exercises that help you spot and correct flinching. By randomly mixing snap caps into your magazines with live rounds, you'll see if you're anticipating recoil the moment your firearm doesn't go bang. Another benefit is learning to clear malfunctions. Treating a snap cap like a dud round in a controlled environment gets you comfortable with immediate action drills. All of this adds up to more consistent trigger pulls, better handling, and greater confidence when you head back to the range. Number 9. Rear sight pusher tool. Adjusting or replacing rear sights can feel intimidating, but a rear sight pusher takes a lot of the guesswork and risk out of the process. Hammering on a sight with a punch might work in a pinch, yet it's easier to mar the finish or knock things off center. A pusher tool applies controlled pressure to move the sight without damaging it or the slide. If you decide to install fiber optic or night sights, or if you just want to fine-tune your point of impact, this tool helps you get it right the first time. You can also swap sights yourself without paying a gunsmith each time. Some pushers are universal, while others are model-specific, so it pays to pick one that works with the firearm you own or might buy in the future. If you enjoy tinkering or prefer handle customizations on your own, you'll be glad you have one of these. Number 10. Punch set and pick set. It's amazing how often you'll need a punch set and pick set, when you start taking your firearm apart or swapping parts. Punches come in different materials: steel, brass, nylon, so you can drive out pins without scraping up your gun. Brass punches are usually gentler on metal sights, and steel punches work well on stubborn pins that won't budge. Picks help you manipulate tiny springs and detents that are tricky to reach with bare fingers or a flathead screwdriver. These sets let you do basic tasks on your own, such as changing triggers or removing roll pins during detailed cleaning. Using the right tool for the job reduces the chance of scratching or denting expensive components. You'll also learn more about how your firearm works, which boosts your confidence if something ever goes wrong. Once you have a punch and pick set in your toolkit, you'll wonder how you got by without it. Number 11. Quality hearing protection. Your ears won't forgive you if you skip on hearing protection. Gunfire is loud enough to cause permanent hearing loss, so a good set of earmuffs or earplugs is a must. Electronic muffs are especially popular because they'll dampen loud shots while still letting you hear range commands and conversations. Foam earplugs can boost protection if you double up, which is smart if you're shooting indoors or next to high-powered rifles. If you plan to spend extended time at the range, you'll appreciate how comfortable gear makes all the difference. Repeated exposure to gunfire without proper ear pro can lead to hearing issues that won't go away. So it's best to invest in something that fits well and offers a high noise reduction rating. You'll also communicate better with others on the firing line and stay focused on your technique instead of worrying about the constant crack of every shot. Number 12. Good defensive ammo. Ammo can feel confusing at first because there's so many choices. You'll typically practice with full metal jacket rounds, which are cheaper and work fine for range time. Those might not be the best for self-defense though. Hollow points are designed to expand on impact, making them less likely to overpenetrate while delivering more stopping power. Some firearms can be picky with certain brands or loads, so testing a few defensive options before you commit is always wise. Once you've found a hollow point that feeds reliably and shoots accurately in your gun, you'll have more confidence if you ever need it for personal protection. Ammo weight and velocity matter too, because they affect recoil, accuracy, and penetration. If you dig into ballistics, you'll learn how bullet design influences performance. The more you understand your ammo, the better you'll be at picking out the right type for training, competition, or defense. Number 13. Magazine loader. When you load multiple magazines by hand, your thumbs and fingers take a beating, especially if you're shooting a high-capacity pistol or rifle. A magazine loader speeds up the process, so you can spend less time jamming rounds and more time actually shooting. It also reduces wear on the magazine's feed lips because each round seats more consistently. Some loaders are universal and can adapt to different calibers, while others are made for specific types of magazine. Either way, you'll appreciate how much easier it is on your hands. This is a small accessory that pays off big when you're going through a couple hundred rounds in a training session. You won't be fumbling with sore fingers, and your range buddies won't be standing around and waiting for you to finish reloading. Even if you only shoot occasionally, it's a nice convenience that helps you enjoy your time at the range a bit more. Number 14. Quality holster. A holster is more than a place to stash your firearm. It's your first line of safety. The right one provides solid retention so the gun doesn't slip or shift during everyday movements. It also covers the trigger guard, reducing the risk of an accidental discharge. If you plan to carry concealed, a holster that hugs your body and remains comfortable is key. Materials like Kydex and premium leather often hold up well and protect the gun's finish. Some holsters let you adjust things like retention and ride height, which helps you find the perfect draw angle and comfort level. You'll see inside the waistband, outside the waistband, appendix carry, and more. Each style has its pros and cons, but they all share one main goal: keeping your firearm secure and accessible. Once you experience a proper holster, you'll see why it's one of the most significant accessories you can buy for responsible carry. Number 15. Gun club or range membership. Shooting regularly is the only way to improve. and a membership at a local club or range can make that simpler and more affordable. Some places offer unlimited range time or big discounts on daily fees. You might also get deals on ammo or be able to try out rental firearms before you decide what else to buy. Many gun clubs foster a sense of community where you can meet other shooters and learn from their experiences. Group events, competitions, and training courses are great ways to sharpen your skills. Joining a club often means you'll have consistent access to a safe and well-maintained environment, which beats searching for an open public range or heading out to an empty field. The chance to connect with other firearm owners can lead to friendships, mentorships, and opportunities to shoot a variety of guns you might not otherwise handle. A membership is a solid investment in both your skills and your overall enjoyment of the shooting world. And that's a wrap for this video. Owning a gun is just the start. You need the right gear to train right, carry comfortably, and keep your firearm running smoothly. Think we left something out? If there's an essential piece of gear you swear by and it didn't make the list, drop it in the comments. It might just help a new gun owner. And while you're down there, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Stay safe, stay ready, and happy shooting.